Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to set a custom limit per day on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you have to select here screen time. Now select the daily screen time from here. Select daily screen time. You can see here set the custom limit per day. You have to select in this way. You have to select your daily or day wise limit on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.